So, today we're installing this razor lip on this Fiesta. It's the wife's Fiesta. She's had this thing since last Christmas and wanted me to install it, and I never did. We got some window cleaner, some tape, some rags. We have to clean up under here a little bit. We got 3 factory screws we can use up under here, maybe even 4. So we got all 5 factory bolts out, 1 in the middle, 2 on each side. Now we got this stuff here. We're gonna give it a clean, wipe it down real good, clean it, and then we're gonna start sticking it on. We're gonna go right to this edge right here with the razor lip. She's helping put the razor lip on. We got her all wiped off. We got her taped up where the holes go. We're gonna figure out the end and start applying this thing. See how it turns out. So we got our razor lip stuck on there. Now we got to put the factory screws back in it, 5 of them. We're going to take this little poker, pick, all, whatever you want to call it. We're going to find the hole, put the screws to it. And this job is done. So me and Bagels, we installed the razor lip. There it is. It's all bolted in. Looking good. Huh, Bags? What do you think, Bagels? She's inspecting it, seeing what she thinks. See if she likes it or not. I think she approves. Little Miss Bagels approves of the razor lip. She said it's a cutie. Gotta peel them 2 pieces of tape, clean up our mess.